I'm Pamela Moreira, and I have joined up with HealthyNuLiving. They sell health and wellness products, and I have ordered Oxyburn because I want to lose like 20 pounds. So what I'm doing today is I have my order, just came in the mail. I'm going to unbag it. Here we go. Scissors out. I'll get it out the package here. Oh, it's very nicely wrapped. Let's see here. Ta-da! Very nicely wrapped and protected. The top is sealed with plastic, so that's nice. Oxyburn Advanced Fat Loss Formula Energy Booster, increase muscle strength, appetite control. And this is it here. Let's see if we can get where the camera is. There we go. Oxyburn. Hope all y'all can see that. So I'm gonna start taking this tomorrow, and I'll be updating y'all weekly. Start tomorrow. I will give you my current weight. Don't really want to, but that's what this is all about. So I'm gonna do it, and I hope y'all will follow along in the journey with me. If anybody wants to order Oxyburn or any other fabulous health products that HealthyNuLiving has, there's a link down in the description where you can sign up for free and get a 20% discount. If you want to earn with HealthyNuLiving, it's $30 to upgrade, and then you can earn commissions and residual income and matching bonuses. So it's up to you. Just get the discount if you want to order some great products. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Again, that link is down in the description if you care to join this weight loss journey with me. So until tomorrow, hasta la vista.